The national capital witnessed heavy rain this morning, with the minimum temperature settling a notch below average for this time of the year at 24.5 degrees Celsius. Now the Met Department has forecast rain till Saturday morning, and rain started at 8 a.m. causing peak hour commuters to get stranded, and of course traffic jams in all parts of the city on major roads are being flooded on account of poor drainage.
A road has been literally converted into a canal, and this is GK1, which is considered one of the posh localities in Delhi. If I can just ask my camera person to pan down a little, you can see commuters having problem, cars getting stuck, and it's knee-deep water right here. Every time it rains, it's nothing less than a torment for Delhiites. Despite the Delhi High Court coming down heavily on civic authorities, nothing seems to change. And people out here are going to have a tough time ahead as they are headed to offices and other destinations, and these being the peak hours. With camera person Stephen in New Delhi, Akansha Kumar for NDTV.
All right, a terrible situation on Delhi roads this morning. Thank God I get in very early in the morning. Hina, heavy rainfall in the capital, also not just the capital, in parts of North India.
Well, definitely, Gargi. Just 15 millimeters of rain in Delhi has done this. Imagine Jammu has received around 82 millimeters of rain in the last 24 hours. And as you can see all around me, because it's raining continuously, there has been severe, massive waterlogging conditions, which has led to massive traffic jams, because it started in the morning when people have to go for work and all, and that is why it has led to a lot of problems. As you can see around me, if my camera person can pan and show out there, one man out there is trying to clear out the road by using a bucket. He's trying to fill the water that is there, that has been collected on the roads, through a bucket, and trying to clear out the road, which is actually the task of the government or the MCD. We haven't really seen anything that has been done from their side, and that is the reason why we are seeing this situation emerging out again and again. It is nothing unusual, this heavy rain in Delhi and NCR. It's nothing unusual for the monsoon season during this time of the year. And second, it was predicted as well. Heavy rain in Delhi and NCR was predicted, and just because the city is not prepared to take this much of rain, we are seeing all sort of problems out there. Lots of traffic jams. Normally when people take around 30 minutes to reach their destination, I spoke to a lot of people around me. They have been driving since last 2.5 hours. They still haven't been able to reach because of massive jams all around. Roads have been converted into literally swimming pools. Knee-deep water is there everywhere. In fact, even the trees, as you can see around me, trees have also fallen down because of this continuous rain that we are seeing in Delhi. The rain that we are seeing in Delhi is just 15.6 millimeter, and since then it has been continuing. But imagine, it has been raining so much, around 80 millimeters in Jammu, Kashmir, Gujarat, Rajasthan. So it's almost a flood-like situation everywhere in the northwestern part of the country. According to the Met Department, it's going to continue for the next couple of days. Even for this weekend, it is going to rain heavily in the entire northern part of the country. Back to you.